Welcome home to 635 Illinois Road in Wilmette. If you love mid-century modern, then you're going to love this layout and yard. Come on in, let me give you a tour. 4 floor-to-ceiling patio doors bring the outside in, with access to the yard. Vaulted ceilings and floor-to-ceiling fireplace are inviting, just in time for winter. Tons of possibilities to create a dream kitchen with convenient access to the yard. You can access the sweet patio here. This single-level ranch home has much natural light. Plenty of storage throughout this house. The basement has a fireplace, finished recreation area, and a half bath. Heading out to this glorious backyard, there are tons of perennials and shrubs. Enjoy the oasis back here. If you've been looking for one-level living with loads of charm here in New Trier School District, you've found your forever home at 635.